Hello everyone. My name is Alex, and in this video, I will tell you what is ATS and how does it work, but mainly we will focus on how to format your resume to pass each ATS. Yes, there are different types of ATS. Depends on the company. So, if you didn't hear before, ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. And about 70% of large companies rely on ATS. However, it's becoming more and more popular even among small firms. So ATS is a tool for companies to scan applications before they will get to recruiters. In other words, first your resume will be checked by the eyes of computer. The computer will search for keywords that are relevant with job position description. And only if you pass this stage your resume will get to human hands. So it's very important to fill your resume with matching keywords, but this is a huge separate topic. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to make another video about it. Today we will talk about ATS resume formatting. It can be quite tricky, but I'm gonna show you how to format your resume to make it 100% ATS friendly. I have prepared a list for you. Let's take a look at all the do's and don'ts when it comes to ATS formatting. You can download your free ATS formatting checklist. I will leave the link to it below. As I said in the beginning, there are different types of ATS. Some are old and still unable to read certain elements and formatting. I will analyze with you one of our ATS friendly template and give you some tips how to make your resume look nice and increase readability to recruiter. But if you want to save some time and need properly structured ATS resume, I will leave the link to our ATS templates in the box below. So with that said, let's begin. First of all, you should use standard document size. Choose either US letter size or A4 size. Margin size should be consistent. I would recommend you to make them not smaller than ½ inch. The second rule is to align your entire resume to left side. And you may think now, hey, but your resume is not aligned to left. Yes, but the computer will still read it as if it is. Let me show you. I work on Microsoft Word, but of course it doesn't matter if you use Pages, Google Docs, or any other software, the rules are same. We have our example resume. And as you can see here, when I select the entire text, the left alignment option is active. And that's the reason why ATS is going to still see it correctly, and our resume will look way nicer than standard ATS resume. But how to center your text without using this option? We can trick the system by using tab stop position. So this is the same resume without any formatting. I select the whole text and align it to left. Then I select everything that I want to center, so name, professional title, and contact details. Just like so. Since it's not really Microsoft Word tutorial, I won't explain every single step. You can see shortcuts on the screen. With all this selected, go to the very left side of the ruler. For us, only the 3 icons that you see on the screen are important. I pick Center tab, then I click right in the middle of our scale. And go back with my cursor to the begin of the line that need to be centered. Then I click tab on my keyboard, and there we go. The text is centered. We will come back to this trick when talking about next ATS formatting rule, which is no tables and columns. They can really mess up your resume, but we can again use tab stop option. I have 3 phrases in a row, and I want to separate them into 3 columns. It's similar to previous case. First I make center column just like in previous example. Then I go to little tab stop icon and this time select right alignment, place it on the ruler, and again with tab button on the keyboard put them to the end. To speed up this video, I won't do the entire resume with you, but you understand the power of this option, and you can apply it all over your document. Here as well to move the employment details to another side of your resume. Just like so. Good. It might take you some time, but there is no better way. The other very important rule is not to use images, icons, and so on. I see it all the time. People putting contact icons on their ATS resume. It looks way nicer for the eye, but it can really mess up your resume. Just format your contact details as we did previously. It looks clean and professional. The next thing that you need to be aware of is that ATS can read only standard, simple fonts. You can see the list of safe options on your screen. Just pick one. They should all be installed on your computer by default. And to avoid ATS confusion, use only 2 different fonts in your document. The other thing that you should avoid is italic style. This one is hard to read for ATS as well. On the other hand, it's recommended to use bold styling to emphasize important information. And finally, keep your paragraphs short. They should be maximum 40 words. So in the meantime, I formatted my resume further, and now I will show you how to use some colors in your ATS resume. Colors in your ATS resume won't affect formatting score. You can change font color or put the shading here. And also on paragraph names to make your resume easy to read. You can also change page color. Try different options and see what looks nice. You can also add your own colors as I did. Okay. Now let's check our score with online tool called JobScan. It's a well-known platform and a lot of people use it before applying to check ATS score. You can have 2 weeks free trial. I will put the link below. So we go to jobscan.co, and if you already have an account, go to Dashboard and then click on New Scan. Upload your resume here. It should be saved as Microsoft Word. On the other side, you should paste job position description. In our case, it doesn't matter, cause all we want is to check formatting score, but we need to put there something, otherwise it won't scan our resume. You will have all the info about keywords and skills here. But we need to scroll down. And here we go. The only red point is about paragraph length. My work experience section is just the instruction on how to write resume, so I needed to make it longer. But you should keep your paragraph short, and you will get 100% properly formatted resume. So that's it. I think that's all you really need to know about ATS formatting. Don't forget to download your checklist and leave us thumbs up. Bye bye guys.